And we're back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, all good things must come to an end. The Summer of Sounds finale took place at the Cove. Here's Asha Robles with more.
Guys, this is it. It's the finale of SOS 2015, but we also have the first Made in Guam Music Festival happening tonight, as well as giving our final giveaway for the Made in America Music Flyaway. So we have great food and clothing vendors happening tonight, as well as 4 bands playing, followed by a fashion show by Chamarita Swimwear and our very own DJ Oz, so let's check it out already. Guys, I'm here with Jay, owner of the Cove. How are you feeling tonight, Jay?
I'm feeling good.
You look like you're feeling really good.
Yes.
So what does it mean to you to have the last SOS event at the Cove?
It's awesome, and I thank Ambrose, and it's really going on.
All right. Do you think you would want to be a part of this next year?
Yes, of course. And let's go party!
Let's go, guys. Guys, I'm here with Marv from Crowns Guam. How you doing, Marv?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great as well. How are you feeling these parties?
It's good. It's good. SOS has definitely been the parties of the summer, and we're happy to be a part of it, and it's been fun.
So how has it been seeing the crowd react to winning your gear?
It's super cool. You know, I mean, we just want to help everyone represent the island through fashion, and it's cool. You know, everyone comes out and has a good time. They rock the gear, listen to good music. It's been fun.
All right, Marv, thank you, and we hope to see you next year at all of these parties again. I'm here with Vic and Crystal from the Hangout. Vic, how are you feeling tonight?
I feel awesome. I feel amazing. This is the greatest party ever, the finale. I feel good.
That's good. And how do you feel tonight, Crystal?
I feel awesome.
All right, Vic, what are your thoughts and your experiences for the whole summer? What was it like for you?
Wow, it's like a big bomb just landed on a summer, and then it just made a big kaboom. It's like that. So, man, if you guys came out, you guys would know it's been a crazy summer. It's been the fun one. It's been the greatest summer ever.
And you, Crystal?
Well, this has been a great experience because I've never hosted anything in my life, so I'm looking forward to next summer.
All right, guys, there you have it.
See you next summer!
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Made in America Flyaway, Justin Cruz. Justin Cruz going once, going twice. Out, the winner of the Made in America trip, the Flyaway, everything. Carlina Charfrance. Carlina Charfrance going once, going twice. Out. And the winner, Lynn Fernandez. Yes. Oh my God, Lynn
That's it, guys. We are done. It is over. We have found our winner for the Made in America Flyaway. So if you guys had just as much as fun we did this summer, don't be sad because we'll be back next summer. So let's give it up for our sponsors. We have Timeless, Competitor, Studio 211, Chamarita Swimwear, Anywhere Clothing, Crowns Guam, Current Guam, etc., Good Vibes Guam, Hafaloha, Budweiser, and the station that's always blazing, I-94. We'll see you guys next year.
We got the music of Pop Rocks and Soda when we return. You're watching In the Mix.
Your community calendar is brought to you by Taco Bell. Whether it's your first meal or your fourth meal, we've got you covered. Taco Bell, live Más.